जावा मर जावा तेरे इश्क पे मर जावा मर जावा मर जावा तेरे इश्क पे मर जावा भीगे भीगे सपनों का जैसे खत है हाय गिरी गिरी चाहत की जैसे लत है मर जावा मर जावा तेरे इश्क पे मर जावा मर जावा मर जावा तेरे इश्क पे मर जावा
Hi and welcome back to my channel Fashionista. My name is Susmita. Today's makeup tutorial theme will be the ethnic fashion look. Created a stunning spotlight with extra fine eye glitter paired with the beautiful mauve violet nude lipstick. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before starting, please take a moment to subscribe my channel because it's totally free. Hit the bell icon if you want to see my works in future. Thanks a lot. Today I'll be starting with the eyebrows, and for that I'll be using an eyebrow definer which is from PAC Cosmetics. The brush I am using is again from PAC. It's so easy for blending, a good news for a beginner, and it costs less than 600 rupees. Using the Maybelline concealer to clean up underneath the brow and also applying it on my lids to cover up the uneven skin tones. It will also going to be the eye base for the eyeshadows which I will be going to use next. I'll be using this color book eyeshadow palette today, which is from Beauty Glazed. Starting with the cameo color and applying it all over the eyelid. Then using this chilly one in the pink shade to blend it all over the eyelid. Take your time to blend the eyeshadows because the more you will blend the colors, the more you will get the intense finish. In this type of eye look, always start with the light color and end up with the deep color. Next, using the same concealer to cut the crease right on the middle of the eyelid. To create a spotlight eye makeup, I always use a concealer brush or a flat brush in that part. applying this metallic golden color in the shade name Dubai and applying it all over the crease area, including the edges of the cut crease. Next, I'll be applying these two green colors in the shade names Apple Green and Meadow, and I'm going to apply these two colors at the same time because I want to create a greenish shade with the sea green undertone, and the brush I'm using is from PAC Cosmetics. Then I'll take these two glitters in the shades Dynamo and Canary, and with the help of a flat brush, gently applying it on the cut crease. Taking this black shade to blend it around the cut crease, including the edges. By using this cameo shade, I will blend the eyelid, only except the cut crease until I remove the harsh lines on the eyelid. Retouching the entire eyelids to make the blending more prominent. Using this Milani concealer in the shade number 135, applying it all over the skin, mostly on the black spots and the pimple marks. It cost me around 1250 rupees. I should definitely make a video on this concealer because it's an amazing product in the reasonable price. It has a fine texture, the consistency is not very runny, neither very sticky. It's very easy to apply. With the super coverage, this concealer is amazing. So next I'll highlight the brow bone by using a silver color on the middle part of the brow bone and using a golden shade just on the middle part of it, and also applying on the eye corners as well. Then applying the kajal from Faces Canada on the waterline and smoking it out with the help of a blending brush. Then I'm mixing these two foundations from PAC Cosmetics. You can try this trick if you don't have the exact shade of your foundation. You can just mix the lighter shade with the warm shade, but you need to understand the amount of product before mixing. So here is the final look of the ethnic fashion makeover. Hope you will like the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Remember, your one subscription is like a gold coin for me. Keep styling, keep smiling. See you on the next video.
सोचे दिल के ऐसा काश हो तुझको एक नजर मेरी तलाश हो जैसे ख्वाब है आँखों में बसे मेरी वैसे नींदों पे सिलवटे पड़े तेरी अरमानों की राहत है मर जाऊं तेरे इश्क पे मर जाऊं।